Hi, John. It was great to talk with you earlier. I appreciate the opportunity to shoot this custom video for you. Now, I did quite a bit of searching for Nguyen Landscaping and Construction online, and I just wanted to share with you what I found and go into a little more details. So, now, the first thing that your future customers are going to be doing is searching for your services. So, for instance, landscape renting. The first thing that comes up for people searching for services is what's called the Google Map Pack, and that's right here. Ideally, we want businesses to be in the top 3 because this is instantly what's shown. Now, I did dig pretty deep and didn't find a business listing for Nguyen Landscaping online. So that's definitely one of the first steps that I would highly recommend to boost your business. It's a fairly simple process to get you listed on Google, and then what you would do is you would work on the specifics of the listing itself to go ahead and get it climbing the charts and ranking up into these top spaces. Now, the second thing that people see when they're searching for things are what's called the organic listings, and that's down here. Now, 9 times out of 10, any person searching for something is going to go with someone on the first page and in these higher ranks. I did a little bit of digging as well and learned that Nguyen Landscaping does not have an active website. Here's what I found when I tried to go into the website. So it looks like the domain has been registered, and that's nguyenlandscapingandconstruction.com. The domain was registered, but there is no site that's attached to it. So that is absolutely the number one most crucial thing that you can do to get your business out there on the internet is to have a website built. Now, what I did was I did a comparison. I pulled your number one competitor in the area, and I pulled their site as well as all of their numbers so you could see what having an established website, having a good Google My Business listing with all of the components in play to make you successful would look like for you. All right, so Olympic Landscape, this is your number one competitor. Their site is full of information. It's got good visuals. It's got, all of their services listed out. It has shout outs from other sites and testimonials. It's got some videos, their service areas, some beautiful pictures, and then contact information. So what I then went ahead and did was dug a little deeper to see exactly what their volume and traffic that they're bringing in every month is. Okay, so when I go into my web crawler program, what this does is this shows me all of the pertinent information to their site. Now, the two most important things here is your trust factor and your power rating. These two are created by backlinks. And what a backlink is a shout out from another website to yours. It essentially is a link between the two sites, and what that does is it gives you exposure, number one, and it gives you credibility, number two. They've got 1,200 organic keywords that are included in their command content, which is all of this information that's embedded in this site. And again, they've got a high-ranking Google listing, which is that first thing that I was talking to you about here. Now, with all of these things considered for their site, they are bringing in organic traffic of 1,100 folks a month. That means 1,100 people are searching for the services that you offer. They're clicking on their site, retaining their services, getting additional information, whatever the case may be. This is a lot of traffic to be missing out on. This is a lot of business. And so what I would suggest definitely for you is getting your Google My Business listing, which is this, having it created and with all the components going into that to get you starting to rank up the local map listings, and then getting a site. A site is, a site is the number one thing that you have to have for all of this to come together to be a reality. If you were to do that and to have the correct backlinks, organic keywords, and all of these things that go into making a site successful, you would definitely climb the ranks and be able to dip into this. Now, if this is something that you're interested in doing and putting all of this together, I would love to have a sit down with you and go over exactly what it would take to get you to that point, and find out what your business goals and your aspirations and what that vision looks like for you. Again, if that's something you're interested in, please reach out. If it's not, no harm, no foul. I would certainly appreciate some feedback though, if nothing else. Okay, I really appreciate your time, John. Thank you so much.